What are you doing, sir? Checking in with Booster. Hi, buddy. He's giving me the evil eye. He's like, Mom. You can come out with me in a minute after we're done, okay? Hi, boo-boo. Oh, yeah. He is mad at me. He is not happy. You too? Okay, we have everyone meowing. So apparently everyone is not happy with this situation currently. Oh, there's Chloe. Oh, she's a little hard to see. There you are. It really picks up the screen for some reason. Hey? It's okay, buddy. I'll bring you out after. Okay, buddy. When I come in, I'll bring you out for a few minutes. Yeah. There's Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Hey? Look at these kitties. Now it's Booster's turn. Booster's turn. Yeah. Are you gonna ring it? There we go. Good boy. Oh, this boy. Hey, he's a happy boy.